up to the table. Lord, you hear the same old thing. Ain't no food up on the table. Ain't no pork up in the pan. Well, you better not complain, boy. Well, you get in trouble with a man. Let the midnight spread.